Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with Roblox, bad request error code 400 on your Windows computer. There was a problem with your request. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to go ahead and start off by opening up the search menu. Type in settings, best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And on the left side, you want to select Network and Internet. And now on the right side, you want to scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And underneath More Settings, you want to select Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. So this will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. So if you're using a Wi-Fi based connection, make sure you have your Wi-Fi password and user ID nearby, because once you restart your computer, you will need to enter them back in if you're going to be connecting back to the internet. So go ahead and select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select yes. Select yes. And now you want to go ahead and close out of everything and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that has resolved the problem. You can attempt to also uninstall and reinstall Roblox as well as another alternative option there. And then hopefully that should have resolved the problem. You may also want to consider waiting a little bit and seeing if the Roblox servers may be having difficulty at the moment, which is certainly possible. You just may want to check back a little bit later. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.